Alright, y'all, so we stripped the wiring harness off the headliner, off the top of it. And then we're just gonna go to work with the Starlights. We're gonna go Hellcat logo, SRT, and then stars all through. Alright, so off rip, we're gonna tape up like 3 feet of these just to save us some headache. This is all gonna be tucked behind your C-pillar anyways, so you don't want this to be a pain in the fucking ass.
Yes, bastard!
I'm gonna take this shit off right here. Try to find one of these hot glue pieces right here, pull it up, and just pull the whole strip up instead of fucking trying to piece this apart. Just tear the glue strip. Alright. Headliner's all bare. We're gonna tape off 4 sections, put 100 in each corner, and then we're gonna save 150 for our Hellcat logo, and then the SRT. I'm gonna just do a time lapse of all the bullshit, taping it up, putting all the cables through there. It's basically self-explanatory, drilling the holes, do a time lapse. It's probably gonna take me a couple hours. All right, y'all, you're gonna get the tiniest drill bit you can find. I'm talking about the tiniest Asian pin. And then you're gonna drill, I mean, our patterns are probably gonna be different, but like I said, I'm gonna do 100 in each. 100 each square, so I gotta do 100 holes in each square. McDonald's break. Alright, we finally got all the holes punched and all the designs made. So we about to lock in, give y'all a little time lapse, and start hot gluing all these strands down. I'm tired than a bitch. cameras out real quick. I can't lie, it looks pretty fire. Stop playing with him. The SRT in the back. Cat head right there. You can't tell me that don't look fire. What? Y'all need your headliner done, let me know. This is what everything looks like from the outside.